People lost their lives in the Tennessee floodwaters last year. Now, 10 families who lost their loved ones are taking part in a class action suit of up to $450 million. But who are they suing after what many might assume was a tragic act of God? Rebecca Butcher spoke with a mother whose young daughter perished in the floods.
I worked really hard on this.
Yeah.
A bright light.
She would touch anybody's heart. There was not a person that she met that she didn't befriend, you know.
With a big heart.
Me and Lucy we were our own family. Now I just feel alone.
Lucy Connor's life ended at just 7 years old. Mom Michelle Feliciano shared with me the horrifying moments as water rose above her window in Waverly, Tennessee.
I remember telling my daughter to sit on the bed to stay out of the water that was in our apartment.
Next, the unthinkable.
I was standing by the window so that they could see that we were in there. And then I don't know where my wall just crushed in, taking her away.
Michelle's now living in Ohio with her family. Part of her mission is to prevent something like this from happening to another family.
When I heard that what had happened with the levee and everything and how it could have been prevented, I just don't want it to happen again.
So now she's part of a suit against the railroad company CSX Transportation. It claims CSX's clogged culvert created an unnatural lake behind the railbed dam, and when it collapsed, a tidal wave was released.
If we could just keep on ignoring it, they'll keep on doing half work and not, doing what they're supposed to.
What's keeping Michelle strong now is honoring Lucy. Since Michelle's daughter always wanted to travel, her family is encouraging others to remember her during their trips.
So we started painting rocks so that people could leave them behind. It's just to keep her memory alive so people know what an amazing person she was.
A bright light, never extinguished.
Life is a gift, whether it hurts to live or not. It's still something we should be grateful for.
In Memphis, I'm Rebecca Butcher.
Well, we reached out to CSX. In a statement, they said, our most heartfelt thoughts are with the families. CSX track and related infrastructure is maintained and regularly inspected in ordinance with CSX policies, which meet or exceed federal regulations.